What's going on, guys? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over my top 7 ways to earn upwards of $100 per day from your computer. So go ahead and smash that like button for me so we can get into today's content. The very first method that I recommend for you to get started making money online is going to be YouTube. So let's take a look at my YouTube channel right here. As you can see, I'm in my channel analytics. And if we just change this to the last 365 days, you'll see that I'm relatively new to YouTube. But let's click my revenue right here, and you can see that on December 21st, I started monetizing my YouTube channel and making money with YouTube. It started at like $36 a day. And then you can see it's progressively gone upwards. It's fluctuated from 97, 87. I've had good days, I've had low days, but I'm starting to trend upwards. You can see it tracked down a little here because I stopped posting. But that shows you the power of YouTube. I've managed to make over $3,800 in just about 2 months worth of content. I actually only really December and January is when I really posted. And I monetized for pretty much January. As you can see, in February, I wasn't posting as much. So it shows you what happens if you don't post. But if you're willing to post and stay consistent, YouTube is a great way for you to make money with just your computer. So I hope you see the power of YouTube. I highly recommend you check out YouTube. The next method I want to talk about is going to be affiliate marketing. Most of you that know me know that affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways to make money. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the websites known as ClickBank. I've made a lot of videos on ClickBank and around ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace, a network where you could go and find affiliate partners. So if you go over to clickbank.com, you can sign up absolutely free. And once you get inside of ClickBank and you go to the marketplace, you have access to a ton of affiliate offers. You can see right here on the left-hand side, there's a bunch of categories. So let's just say health and fitness is the category we want to go in. You can see there's all kinds of products right here for health and fitness. Different that pay you $40, $131, $111. Let's just take a real quick glance down here. I want to show you something right here. This custom keto diet right here pays you about $46.89. So what affiliate marketing is, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is you can promote these products that I just showed you on ClickBank and you can receive that commission. They're giving you an affiliate link or a unique link, which is just a website address, a URL for you. And anytime somebody clicks it, you receive that commission that is agreed upon in the terms with that affiliate partner. Dive back in the computer real quick, I'm going to show you right. If you click custom keto diet, it's going to bring you to this page. So this is what the initial page would look like that a potential customer would land on. And then they would go through the whole sales process of this page. If they make a purchase, you receive a commission. And you're probably like, well, that's great and all, but how would I actually go about getting a customers or audience to this? So there's plenty of ways to do it. I'm going to show you one right now. Let's take a look right here. Let's go over to Instagram, and I typed in the word keto and I come across a page called Keto Meal Recipe. You can see they have 780,000 followers. And they post a bunch of pictures of literally just food and stuff like that. And you can see there's some good engagement on some of these. 4,000 likes, 5,000 likes, 5,000 likes. They're obviously getting a lot of engagement. Well, let's take a look at the link right here in the bio. We click it, it's going to open up their link tree or whatever it is. And you can see this very first one, customize your keto plan. Let's click that real quick and see. It brings you to the exact same page that we just found on ClickBank. Now, I hope you see the power of that. This company, this Instagram page right here is promoting a product that is on ClickBank that averages what? Let me see. They average $46.89 per an affiliate commission. Anytime someone goes through there and gets a custom keto diet plan, they can receive potentially upwards of $46.89. So that's why affiliate marketing is one of my favorite, and there's plenty of ways to do it. Let's go ahead and dive into method number 3. And method number 3 is also going to be affiliate marketing. It's just going to be a little bit different. Instead of using ClickBank, we're going to use Amazon Associates. So for those of you who don't know, Amazon Associates, if you go over to Google, just type in Amazon Associates, and it'll pop right up right here, affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate marketing program. You sign up, you recommend products, and you can earn up to 10% in affiliate commissions. So you're probably like, oh, cool. So yeah, you could earn 10% commissions just promoting Amazon products. It's not going to be as high of commissions as you saw on ClickBank, but Amazon's a very trustworthy platform. A lot of people go there, and the way to promote products for Amazon could be through like reviews. You could post review videos on YouTube or reviewing certain products like cameras, equipment, microphones, computers, anything you could potentially think of. In fact, dive back into this computer and let's take a look right here at this one website, Top Finds Online. And you can see Top Finds Online, they have a bunch of products on their website. And if I click any of these products, let's just say this marble gold mid-century modern rectangle coffee table, if I click this product, it brings me to Amazon. So this is an affiliate website. So anything on this website, the person, if you click the link, it brings the customer over to Amazon. And the thing is, if any customer purchases this product, the owner of the website, which could be you, would receive a commission for the purchase. But if the customer does not purchase this product and they purchase a different product, the owner of the website still receives a commission in the respective category that the person buys the product in. So what that means is the Amazon will still pay you even though that the customer did not buy the product you brought them to buy. If the customer buys anything from Amazon over the course of a 24-hour period, you will still receive a commission in the respective category that the commission is allotted in, like the percentage. So some commission categories pay you 3%, 4%, and upwards of 10%. So depending on the product, whatever respective category it falls in, that is the commission you will receive for that product. And the reason they do this is Amazon knows you still brought a customer to their platform to make a purchase. So they're still willing to pay you for that as long as it's within a 24-hour period. So real quick, let's jump back over here. Take a look. This is Top Finds Online, and this is their website, right? So they have all kinds of products on the website, right? But how are they getting people to the website? There's plenty of ways to get people to your website, but they're using, you could take a look at Pinterest, Top Finds Online. They're getting 3.5 million monthly views just from their Pinterest page. And people are clicking right here to the website, going over to the website, browsing the products they have, and if they make a purchase whatsoever, any type of purchase, within 24 hours of clicking these links on their website, that person that created the website, created the Pinterest page, is still receiving a commission. So that is super powerful. I hope you see the power of that. Let's move on to number 4. Method number 4 is going to be email marketing. Email marketing, you will still do marketing. We just do it via an email. Instead of having like a website like this where you have products and stuff like that, we'll sell or we'll provide value in emails, and we'll drive traffic to our affiliate offers again, or any offers that we have. I like to do this for like coaching and mentorships and programs and high ticket stuff that pays $1,000, $2,000, upwards of $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000 per sale. Take a look right here. You could I'll show you, this is one of my websites right here. I'll leave a link in the description for this. This is the training we have for email marketing and being successful with affiliate marketing and stuff like that. But you can see it's very simple. It's a simple landing page like this. And if somebody wants to proceed forward to learn how to get into whatever I have to offer, which is going to be email marketing, they would click the watch the presentation button now here, and you'll see it pops up with a first name and an email address. So what happens here is I collect their email address. And now that I have their email address, I will market to them in the email address, trying to persuade them to make a decision that will benefit them the most via email, instead of me driving, just hoping for people to go to my website and stuff like that. I push people to offers in an email series. So that is number 4. Number 5 is going to be freelancing. So there's plenty of different methods for freelancing. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to be talking about doing like YouTube thumbnails or something. Let's go back to my YouTube channel. I'll show you what a thumbnail is. So if I click like content, right, you'll see that the pictures that are displayed on all of my videos, those are called thumbnails. So people pay for that. So you could go over to a website called Fiverr.com, right, 5rr.com, and you could type in YouTube thumbnail, And people will pay for these because a lot of creators don't want to do it, or they just don't have time, or it's just so it's easier to outsource it. And you could get thumbnails done relatively cheap. Obviously, we're not looking to get thumbnails done. We're looking to offer this service for people. So you could come into Fiverr, you could create an account, and you can list your gigs. And the reason I wanted to tell you to list YouTube thumbnails is, see, these people start at $10. Let's just click I would design, let's click hers. I would design an amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. One YouTube thumbnail within 24 hours. They charge $20 for one thumbnail, right? They got 9 orders in queue, over 4,000 reviews, and they're charging $20 per thumbnail. So even if you were charging half of this and you were charging $10 per thumbnail, if you get 10 thumbnails per day, you see they got 9 orders in queue currently at the time of this video. If you get $10 per day, or 10 orders per day at $10, you can make easily $100 doing this. Yes, it may take you a little bit of time, but once you start to get clients and you grow your database of YouTubers or clients that start, they'll continue to create that. They'll continue to order from you because they'll continue to create videos and they'll need thumbnails for each and every single video. So you can make money doing this. And the reason I told you to do this is relatively easy, because if you're using a picture of them or whatever, you just ask them to provide the pictures and you just do the background stuff like this. And you can design all this stuff for free in a software, like a website called Canva, Canva.com. You can go to Canva. If you have Photoshop, you could purchase Photoshop. It's like $20 a month. And if you get the skills and you want to start leveraging and learning more skills, get into Photoshop and offer more experienced or more detailed stuff, you could obviously start to charge more, like $20. But a good way to get started is with Canva. Charge like $5, $10 per thumbnail, and people will start to order. And as you get more views, obviously you can scale up to $100. So that was method number 5, is YouTube thumbnails. A great way to get started, especially if you don't have much money to get started or technical skills, or it's simple. You literally go to Fiverr, create a free listing, and you can get started as soon as today. If people don't buy, then no worries, people don't buy. But if people do buy, then you make money. That's simple. So I hope you like that. Number 6 is going to be drop shipping, but not drop shipping products from like China and stuff off of AliExpress. We're going to talk about drop shipping stuff using Facebook Marketplace. So take a look right here. Let's say we go over to Etsy, Etsy.com, and Etsy is a place where people custom create stuff. And we type in something like anchor clock, and we scroll down and we see these cool wooden anchor clocks, right? And take a look at this one on the right. This one looks pretty unique. Anchor wall clock, Mediterranean wall clock. They're charging $24.04 with free shipping. So essentially what we could do is we could take this listing and we could go over to Facebook Marketplace. Any of you that don't know what Facebook Marketplace is a place where you could go create your own listings and sell products as well. And we type in whatever we want to type in clock. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you this clock right here on the left-hand side. You can see right here on the left in the middle, says $35 nautical clock, and it ships to you. So that clock looks almost identical to this clock. Almost identical, not exactly the same, but I'm just showing you that you can sell these clocks for $35, $40, and you can get them for $24 with free shipping right here on Etsy. So essentially what you would do is you would go over to Facebook Marketplace, you would create your own listing, you would come over here to Etsy, you would take the product, you would get images of the product right here, just screenshot the images, different images, screenshot them, take the details, and go create a Facebook listing. Once you have the listing up, you can list for free on Facebook Marketplace. They take a cut if the product sells. If it doesn't, then you don't have to do anything. It's not your product. Once a product is ordered on your Facebook Marketplace, then you just go back into Etsy and you order it with the customer's details, and you have it shipped directly to your customers. You never have to hold the inventory or touch the product. You just input the customer's shipping details with the seller on Etsy, and they will ship it directly to your customer. This is a great way for you to make upwards of $100 per day doing that, and you don't even have to have inventory or products. Let's go to number 7. This will be the last one. It's a great method. However, this method does take money. This method is going to be known as Amazon FBA. For those of you who don't know what FBA is, it's just fulfillment by Amazon. So what you essentially do is you white label a product. You get something manufactured with your logo and stuff. Over in China, you buy bulk, you ship it to an Amazon warehouse. Amazon fulfills the orders. So let's do a quick run through of that. Let's say on Amazon, we type in jade roller. We can see a jade roller is this little thing right here. It sells for about $12.74, $12, $14. We'll just say it sells for $12, right? Well, let's say I want to sell a jade roller. I would then need to find a manufacturer to manufacture this in bulk. So I would essentially go over to Alibaba.com. I would type the word in jade roller, and then I would start looking for manufacturers. They charge $3 to $10, $1.69 to $3.98. And you can see right here, this jade roller company, they sell them for anywhere between 0.66 cents to $1.88. So about $2 here. I like this one. They show you the box. They are 7 years of operation. They're verified. They got a lot of credibility. So I would reach out to them. I would price them, see exactly how much it would cost. It says I would need 100 units. Let's say it's $2 to get it, 50 cents for shipping. Let's say we're in 250. I need 100 units. It cost me what? $250 to get these products shipped to Amazon warehouse. Let's add some more fees just to say it costs even more. Let's just say they get over there for, say it's a total of $3 to get each unit over to Amazon warehouse. That's $300. Amazon's going to take its fees and stuff like that. I'm not going to get into all of that right now. They're selling for $12. Let's say we're totally invested for $7 after all the fees and everything. When a product sells, we still profit about $5 per unit. Obviously, there's way more that goes into that, but Amazon FBA is a great business model as well. So I hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment below of any other videos if you need in-depth videos of any of this, like Amazon FBA, email marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTube. If you need in-depth videos, leave comments below. I'll respond to the comments. I'll create videos around the content you need videos created around. I do have our affiliate marketing training linked in the description below if you're interested in getting into affiliate marketing and getting started with that. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that like button for me if you like this video. Thanks everybody for being here. And as always, we will see you in the next one.